Bitkey Bitcoin hardware wallet is a Bitcoin-only cold storage device focused on simplicity and security. Built by Block Inc., it uses a multi-signature system, NFC connectivity, and fingerprint authentication. Paired with a user-friendly app, it offers seamless management, buying, and receiving of Bitcoin. Bitkey's key strengths lie in its innovative features like NFC-powered authentication, fingerprint access, and integration with partners like Coinbase and Cash App. The multi-signature system adds security layers, while its intuitive app ensures ease of use for all users. Bitkey's limitations include its Bitcoin-only support, lack of interoperability with other platforms, and reliance on Block's servers for recovery. The absence of a display for verifying transactions reduces trust and privacy compared to other wallets. Expanding compatibility to other cryptocurrencies and integrating Lightning Network would enhance usability. Offering full private key custody options and alternative recovery methods beyond Google Drive and iCloud could increase security and trust. Bitkey provides a beginner-friendly solution with strong features for Bitcoin users, but may not appeal to advanced users due to its limited scope and reliance on Block servers. Rating: 3.5 out of 5 stars.
Subscribe now.